So hello everyone. Today we are going to see the solution of question longest palindrome by concatenating two words. So this is a part of our daily Leetcode series. So in which we will upload the daily problems of Leetcode and the solution. So feel free to check the playlist out every day. Now let's see what the question says. So in this we are given an array of string which is words. Each element of words consists of two lowercase English letters. Create the longest possible palindrome by selecting some elements from words and concatenating them in any order. And an element can be chosen only once or 0 times. We have to return the length of longest palindrome that you can create. If it is impossible to create, then we have to return 0. And we all already know what a palindrome is, right? So let's see. So let's see the example 1. So in this we are given LC, CL and GG. So LC, CL, GG. We have 3 words and each word will be of length 2 always, and we have to select some of them and rearrange them, then that they can become a palindrome. So we can see that if we write LC and CL, it will become a palindrome of length 4. GG is already a palindrome of length 2, and if we put LC, GG, CL, it will become palindrome of length 6. So this is what you want. The answer should be the maximum length. So we can take another example. Suppose we have AA, BB, CC. We have 3 words. So the length of maximum palindrome can be AA to BB to CC 2. So the length will be always 2, maximum length. And let's take another example, AA, BC, CB. So it is the same example as before, BC, AA, CB. Now let's increase one more, AA, BC, CB. Now BC, AA, CB. So you can get intuition that what is happening is, first we are putting a word here, and then the reverse of that word will be gone here. Similarly, this word and this word are reverse of each other. So that's what we want. So we are getting intuition that we have to basically, first of all, we have to create a hash map, and in that hash map we have to count frequency of each word. Suppose we have BC, then we want CB. Suppose we have BC 2 times and we have CB 3 times. So how many times we can use BC and CB? So it will be BC. Suppose we write BC here, between are some words, and here we have CB, CB. So you can see that we can choose basically the length of the words here is 2 into 4, basically 8 characters. So we have chosen a word 2 times here. This we are choosing 2 times, this we are choosing 2 times. So the minimum of these 2 will be taken. So first of all, what we have is create hash map for each word and count a frequency, and count frequency. Second, what we have is iterate through each word, and what you will add in our answer is, suppose the answer is length, let's call length as our answer. So length plus equal to 2 into, because we have, suppose we have word BC, so we are having 2 characters, so it will contribute 2 to our length. So 2 into minimum of, let's call the dictionary, the hash map what we are using as D. So D of word and D of reverse of word. Okay, so and then after we'll make D of word equal to 0 and D of reverse word equal to 0. Now there can be another edge case. Suppose what we have is, we have AA. So AA can also be at center. So we are having this as X, this is reverse of X, and we have AA. So it will contribute 2 to the length of answer. So let's see in code how to handle this edge condition and how to handle everything. So this is the code. Now you can see that first we are initializing a hash map Now for word in words, we are like creating the dictionary here. Now in center it will denote like the AA condition, we have that edge case, so we can put AA in center. So in center will denote that only. It will be 0 if we can't put anything, if it will be 1 if we can put something in center. Length, the length of our answer will be 0 initially. We will loop in words if the basically it is edge case, if words is equal to reverse of words, same as we have AA. So length will be length plus equal to 4 into the frequency by 2. So let's see how it is happening. Suppose we have AA 3 times, AA, AA, AA. So these two A will be contributing to not centers. So A will be here, A will be here, and here we have our what palindromes. So suppose this is X, reverse of X. Let's call it X REV, Y, Y REV. So what we can put A in center, so it will increase the length by 2. So this will be denoted by in center. So suppose we have length 3, so let's divide it by 2, floor divided by 2, it will be equal to 1. So we can have the 1 AAs not at center, and we can have, because 3 is even odd, 3 is odd, then we can have 1 A at the center, so it will denote that. So if length plus equal to 4 into count by 2, if the count of word is odd, then we can put one of that in the center, and then d of word will equal to 0, then we continue. If not, then as we already discussed, length plus equal to 4 into minimum of d of word and d of reverse of word, and let's make that count 0, and then return in center into 2 and plus length, because in center like it will be denote it will be contributing 2 to the length. Suppose we have here, this is the in center, so it will be contributing 2. So that's the code, and you can see that it is accepted. So please like if you found it helpful, and thanks.